Have you ever felt locked out of the financial world? Like the system was designed for a select few, with endless paperwork, a maze of confusing terms, and a lack of real control over your own money? It's a feeling a lot of people know. For years, traditional finance and the promise of decentralized, user-empowered crypto have existed in two separate universes. But what if there was a bridge? A way to connect the rock-solid security of a regulated bank account with the innovation and freedom of cryptocurrency? That's exactly the problem Bitwala set out to solve. And at the heart of their solution is something called the Bitwala token. Now, you might be thinking, okay, another token, what makes this one different? The Bitwala token, also known as BWALA, isn't just another coin to trade. It's a representation of a direct ownership stake in the Bitwala company itself. Think of it like a share, but one that's been reimagined for the blockchain era. This tokenization of the company's profit participation rights is what truly sets it apart, and it brings a host of benefits you don't typically find in traditional investment. First and foremost, it's about accessibility. For the average person, buying a traditional share in a promising tech startup is a near impossibility. It's a world reserved for venture capitalists and accredited investors, with high entry barriers, complex legal procedures, and a ton of paperwork. The Bitwala token democratizes this process. You can become an owner of the company with a much lower minimum investment, bypassing the traditional hurdles and getting in on the ground floor of a growing company. Second, it's about flexibility and transparency. Because the Bitwala token is on the blockchain, it is transferable. This provides a level of liquidity and flexibility that traditional private shares simply don't offer. Imagine being able to transfer your ownership stake instantly, without a notary or mountains of documentation. Additionally, the smart contract that governs the tokens is audited, providing a new level of trust and transparency. You can see the rules of the game for yourself. Finally, let's talk about the potential for financial gain. As a token holder, you're not just a customer, you're an owner. This means you have a direct claim to a portion of the company's future profits. The benefits are tied directly to Bitwala's success, with token holders receiving 15% of exit proceeds in the event of an IPO or acquisition, as well as any dividends. There's also a degree of downside protection, with your investment capital returned at a rate of 2-for-1 after 15 years, giving you a strong incentive to hold and watch the company grow. The Bitwala token is more than just a financial instrument, it's a testament to the evolving landscape of ownership and investment. It takes the best of a time-tested German security, the profit participation right, and turbocharges it with the power of blockchain. It's about bringing the financial revolution to everyone, not just a privileged few. It's a symbol of a new era where users are not just consumers, but genuine stakeholders in the companies they believe in. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.